Hello everyone. Yaxshimisilar ko'pchilik? Kinoda ئىنگىلىزتىلىنى programmasiga xush kelibsiz. Bu bizning 9-chi sinf darsimiz. Bu qismliq darsda biz The Godfather, ya'ni Otaman degan kinoda ingliz o'rganamiz. Bu kino bek tanliq kino. Buning kitobi bek yaxshi. Mario Puzo yozgan o kitobni. Bu hozirgacha 3 bo'lim ishladi. Buning 1-chi, 3-chi bo'lim bek yaxshi. 2-chi bo'lim ham bo'lib qo'ydi endi. Unda esa qani bizga o'rgangan tunji so'z qaranglar ekranga.
We are all grateful to Don Corleone for calling this meeting. We all know him as a man of his word.
Yana bir anlanglar.
Don Corleone for calling this meeting. We all know him as a man of his word.
A man of. Qanda? Manda qildigan odam deganni qanda? A man of deydi. A man of his word bo'lsa, u gapib turgan odam. Bir misol, bir jumla tuzsam, he's a man of action. He's a man of action. Action degan harakat degan gap. U harakati bor odam degan gap, u amaliyotni ko'rsatadigan odam degan gap. He's a man of action. He's a man of honor bo'lsa, honor degan sharaf. U sharaf bor odam bo'ldi. Yana bir misol tuzsam, my uncle is a man of his words. My uncle is a man of his words. Mening tag'am gapib turgan odam deymiz. My uncle is a man of his words. Unda esa keyin qitilmagan so'zga ekran qaranglar.
And then you try to push me out.
Wait a minute. You took Freddie in because the Corleone family bankrolled your casino because the Molinari...
Yana bir anlanglar.
You took Freddie in because the Corleone family bankrolled your casino because the
Bankroll. Bank degan bankı hamda roll deganda yugmek. Bunda bankı bilan yugmek degan hamda buni nima deb tarjima qilamiz endi? Falon bir narsaning pulini chiqarmoq. Mayli odam bo'lsin, tashkilot bo'lsin, project bo'lsin, shuning qanda pulini chiqarmoqni bankroll deymiz. Men buning jumlasini tuzsam, the company has bankrolled a couple of local movies. The company has bankrolled a couple of local movies. Couple of degan bir qancha yoki ikki degan ma'nosi bor. Birinchi ma'nosi bir qancha, ikkinchi ma'nosi ikki. The company has bankrolled a couple of local movies. Local degan yerlik-ku. Yerlik kinoning pulini chiqargan deydi. Shirkat bir qancha yerlik kinoning pulini chiqargan. Yoki bu shirkat pul chiqarib shu kino ishlagan demakchi. Yana bir misol tuzsam, his father is bankrolling his restaurant. His father is bankrolling his restaurant. Oshxonasiga kim pul chiqadi? Kim pul chiqaradi? Dadisi. Ya'ni butun pul ketadigan chiqim nerdan ketadi? Dadisi chiqaradi demakchi. His father is bankrolling his restaurant. Unda esa bu yangidan eng oxirgi so'zni qaranglar ekranga.
Right. We had a little argument Freddie and I, so I had to straighten him out.
You straightened my brother out.
Yana bir anlanglar.
Argument Freddie and I, so I had to straighten him out.
You straightened my brother out.
Straight somebody out degan qanda birasini o'ngshab qo'ymoq, bir odamni qanda o'ngshab qo'ymoq yoki uchuqdab qo'ymoq. Advin berib, shuning eski mijozini o'ngshmoq demakchi. O'ngshab qo'ymoq deb ma'nosi chiqadi. Buni misol tuzsam, I thought marriage would straighten him out. I thought marriage would straighten him out. Men to'y qilsa u o'ngshlamik debdimi deymiz buni tarjima qilganda. Tuz tarjima qilganda men marriage nikah uni o'ngshab qo'yamik debdimi degan gap. Men to'y qilib u o'ngshab qolamik debdimi deb mana tarjima qilamiz. I thought marriage would straighten him out. Yana bir misol tuzsam, his father will straighten him out soon. His father will straighten him out soon. Dadisini qanda uchuqdab qo'ydi. Ham uchuqdab qo'ymoq, o'ngshab qo'ymoq. Bir masalan tamoq chekayotgan bo'lsa yoki boshqa bir eski mijoz bo'lsin deymiz. His father will straighten him out soon. Soon degan patarda, dadisi patarda o'ngshab qo'ydi deymiz. Nasib bugungi o'rgangan so'zlarni yig'incha qilib olsam, a man of bankroll straighten out. A man of bankroll straighten out. Bugungi darsimiz mushakcha, tushunmagan nuqtalar bo'lsa, asli ingliz shaklida qoldirsanglar bo'ldi. Rahmat.